And question is same. Find centroid of shaded region. Okay, should we start?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. What is the first step?
Symmetric.
Yes.
Not.
First step is
Symmetric
to
and
check
not
whether the
symmetric.
object is symmetric or no. So whether this object is symmetric,
No, sir.
no, it is
No,
not
sir.
symmetric. So if it is not symmetric, where we select our reference?
Leftmost bottom
Leftmost bottom corner.
Most bottom.
So this is my now
corner.
reference. So this will become my reference point. Next step. Next step is to divide the entire figure or entire lamina into minimum number of parts. So what are those parts?
Semicircle, quarter
Triangle, quarter
circle,
circle,
triangle.
semicircle.
Perfect. Perfect. One will be semicircle, this outer semicircle. Then again I have given you hint that wherever there is an inclined line there will be a triangle. So here
Triangle.
it will be, if I make a dotted line, this is a triangle and this becomes the quarter circle. So first part will be my semicircle, second part triangle, and third part will be quarter circle. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, so again take 5 minutes and try to figure out the solution. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take 5 minutes and start. Okay, starting with 20 CE1.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, area. Give me the area for semicircle.
Minus pi r minus pi into
Minus 5 into
5 square by 2.
5 square by 2. We know that for a semicircle, the line which is perpendicular to the diameter, which is this one. From here to here, the distance is 4r by 3 pi. Is it right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now locate this point in our main diagram. So this point is nothing but this point. This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we know that from here to here, what is the distance? 4r by 3 pi. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So if this distance is 4r by 3 pi, what will be this distance?
This distance also 4r by
4r by 3
3 pi.
pi. Got it?
Yes.
So it will be not 5 minus 4r by 3 pi. It will be directly 4 into r by 3 pi. Doubts? Any doubts now?
No, sir.
Okay. Now what about y bar? See here.
Sir.
My centroid is here and I want to travel this much distance.
एरिया में माइनस कैसा है सर?
Sir, area में.
Yes, एरिया में माइनस नहीं आएगा.
हाँ सॉरी माइनस नहीं है.
हाँ, एरिया में माइनस नहीं आएगा. Because it is not unshaded. Okay, what about y bar? I want to reach this point. From here to here, how much is the distance? Simple.
Pi.
Pi, sir. Pi.
सर रेडियस.
Pi.
This is the point. Is it correct? देखो मेरे को यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस ही बस सिर्फ इधर से इधर तक का. ये डिस्टेंस कितना है?
5, sir.
5. It is radius of this semicircle, which is 5. Directly. So I will write y is equal to 5 directly.
Yes, sir.
TC2. After. Okay. Give me the answer for this quarter circle. Give me the answer for area first. Quarter circle.
Pi r square upon 4. Pi 3 square upon 4.
Into 3 square upon 4. There is something missing here.
Minus.
Yes, it will be minus because it is not in the shaded region. So area is perfect. Okay, what about x bar?
4r upon 3 pi.
4 upon 3 pi is correct. 4r upon 3 pi is correct. But for those who have not understood, let me explain. See, for a quarter circle, we know that for sides making right angle triangle, from the sides making right angle triangle, centroid lies somewhere here, which is at a distance of 4r by 3 pi from here and 4r by 3 pi from here. Okay. So देखो, and this point is nothing but this point. अगर मैं locate करूँ, so this is the point. Now from here to here, अब यहाँ से मुझे यहाँ आना है. कितना distance? What is this distance? Simple, it is 4r by 3 pi. We have already found out. So directly in x bar I will write 4 into r divided by 3 pi. Now regarding y bar, sorry, y bar बताओ. I need distance from here to here.
7 plus 4r by 3 pi.
7 plus 4r by 3 pi is the perfect answer. Please see this. अब देखो रेडियस इसका 5 है, मतलब डायमीटर कितना हो जाएगा? चलो दूसरे लोग बताओ, अभी उसने आंसर सही दिया. If radius is 10, if diameter is 10 and if this is 3, what will be this distance, this remaining distance?
7 होएगा sir.
7.
अरे sorry.
2 होएगा?
7.
It will be 7. देखो टोटल डिस्टेंस रेडियस 5 दिया है, मतलब टोटल डिस्टेंस हो गया 10 डायमीटर. आउट ऑफ विच दिस इज 3, तो ये बचा हुआ डिस्टेंस होगा 7 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर इट इज 7. मैं यहाँ तक पहुंच गया, 7 डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया, आई हैव रीच्ड टिल दिस पॉइंट. नाउ फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट मेरे को इतना और ट्रेवल करना है, जो कितना है यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना रहेगा
1.5.
4r upon 3 pi.
3 pi.
So total distance I need to travel in y will be 7 plus 4 into r divided by 3 pi. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. चलो नेक्स्ट बताओ. ट्राइंगल का पहले मुझको डायमेंशन बताओ. व्हाट विल बी द डायमेंशंस ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल? व्हाट विल बी द हाइट?
Height 7, sir. 7 centimeter.
7 centimeter. And what about base?
3.
Base is 3. Perfect answer. ट्राइंगल का बेस ये है और ये क्या है? इट इज द रेडियस ऑफ क्वार्टर सर्कल, सो इट इज नथिंग बट 3. नाउ गिव मी द एरिया.
Half into base into.
It is half into base into height, so it will be half into base 7, height is 3, and one thing is missing here.
Minus.
Yes, it will be minus because it is not in the shaded portion. So the total area will be half into base is into height is 7 and base is 3. Now give me the value for x bar. Yes, Khan Mohammed, give me value of x bar for a triangle.
3
for
by
a
3.
3 by 3. Answer is
3 by
correct.
3 आएगा.
Yes, answer is correct. 3 by 3 answer will be 1. Okay, for those who didn't understand, see here. We know that for a right angle triangle, centroid lies somewhere here, which is at a distance of base by 3. Base by 3, that means it will be 3 by 3. From which side? From the sides making right angle triangle. So from here to here, the distance is 3 by 3. Similarly, in height part, it will be total height, that is 7 by 3. From where? From again the sides making right angle triangle. So from here to here, it is 7 by 3. Any doubts here? Any doubts here?
No,
Okay.
sir.
Now locate this point on our main diagram. So locating this point here. So this is the point which is making right angle triangle. So centroid is somewhere here, and we know that this distance in horizontal direction is 3 by 3, and
3,
this
3 by
distance
3,
is
1.
7 by 3.
7 by 3.
Okay. Now I need distance from this point. That means I need this as x. This will be my x for triangle, and this will be my y for the triangle. Now what will be x? What can you say about x? I need
1,
this
sir.
distance.
1.
It will be 1. Simple. यहाँ ही दिख रहा है आपको,
1.
3 by 3. So the x bar will be 3 by 3, which
1.
is equal to
3
1.
1.
And what about y?
So 7.
7 minus 7 by 3.
Yes, perfect answer. See here, यहाँ से यहाँ तक, from here to here the distance is 7. Total distance 7 है, and this distance we have already found out, it is 7 by 3. So the remaining distance will be 7 minus 7 by 3. So I will write here y bar is 7 minus 7 by 3. So this completes our calculation part. Now give me the answers for AI xi and AI yi.
Sir, 21.682. Area का sum.
Okay, summation of area you got as how much?
21.682.
21.682. Okay, I will take it.
AIYI 98.99.
Okay, AIYI 98.99. And what about AIXI?
63.75.
63.75. So all the calculations are ready now. I will just have to put it. X bar is equal to summation of AIXI divided by summation of AI. So it will be 63.75 divided by 21.682, and the answer is
2.94.
2.94. Y bar will be summation of AIYI divided by summation of, and what was AIYI summation?
Sir, 88.99. 88.99.
88.99.
हाँ.
And what about area?
21.7. 21.6. वही 7.
20 point
682.
21 point
वो 88 है कि 98 है?
मेरे हिसाब से
हाँ
98
सर, वो
था।
98
था पहले। हाँ,
98 है सर.
okay.
98 है, मैंने किया.
divided by 21. What is the answer?
सर 4.56.
4.56. Okay. So I will write centroid lies at हाउ मच 2 पॉइंट कितना आया था हमारा आंसर एक्स बार का 2.92 या 94 चलेगा and 4.54 mm. Okay, done. Is it correct? Yes. Any doubts?
Sir,
No, sir.